Hello, so this question is delete n nodes after m nodes of the linked list. Alright, so you're gonna have a linked list and then you have m and n. So m is going to represent represent how many nodes you want to keep. So n represent how many nodes you want to skip. So that's it. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to create a domino point at the head, and then using your head to traverse all the way to the end, and then you want to return the dummy, right? And then the second is going to be in the traversal, you want to calculate how many leftover valid node you want to keep, how many discard node you want to skip, right? So this is everything I want to mention. So let's just jump into a solution. It's not going to be hard. So I have a list node. I'm going to say dummy initialize to 0, and I'm going to assign my next equal to head, and then later on I know my dummy is not moving, so dummy.next. Alright, and then I have going to store my valid, so it's going to be valid last is going to be the head by default, right? If head is not no, right? And m be 0, no, right? So the first one is always valid. Alright, so I'm gonna say, well, the head is not null. Then I traverse, right? So I want to calculate the number of the size m and also the number size n. I cannot use these two number right away. If I modify the value later, I cannot reuse, right? I think about it, it reused one time. So let's think about this. This is m, this is n. It reused first time, second time, and then so on, right? So I'm gonna say size m equal to n, and then size n equal to n. Okay, so m is the number that we want to keep, right? So while size m is greater than 0, and also the head is not null. All right, so we will definitely decrement the size of m, and also we will definitely move in our head equal to head on x. However, every single time we move, we want to make sure the current node is valid, so it's going to be head. Okay. So once I know this, I'm going to traverse the n, right? So while the size n greater than 0, and also head is not null, and then I will do the same thing. Head equal to head on x, and then it will be size n minus minus. So in this time, I don't need to worry about the valid last. This is because, yeah, we don't want to use it, right? So the valid last is right here on the first iteration, right? And once I move everything on this iteration, the current pointer for the head is right here, right? So I'm gonna say valid last next is equal to head right now. It has to be valid, right? And then yeah, let me run it. Cool. All right. For the time and space is constant. Time is all of them. So it's straightforward enough. All right. See you.